What's going on, guys? This is Milanor from Growtopia, and today I'm going to show you my shop world. It's called Keyrain Shop. This will be the spelling, and yeah, so let's take a look around. So here we have my goods, and you can see there's a sign. It's the item price. Like this, Ninja set will be 2 world locks. You can also offer, but I really prefer world locks. So yeah. And here we have my donation room. And up here we have some VIP room. And here we have mini games. It's very hard. Uh, and here is the Dragon Gate game. People say it's a scam, but I don't think it's a scam because I made it 100% possible. So if you would like to try it, then pay a visit. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.